If you're someone watching this video right now, I assume you want to organically grow your account or business. One of the most successful ways to attain first-time customers as well as retain long-term consumers is through influencer marketing. Influencer marketing allows you to use online personalities and expand your business through their fans. Before we dive in, my name's Roxy Ogle from Novo Marketing, and we're so happy to have you watching us today. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We want to work with you. Go to novogenmarketing.com to set up a free consultation. Don't forget to watch till the end of the video because the last influencer marketing step is the most valuable for sure. First of all, why should you even be interested in influencer marketing? Well, let's tell you the stats. Data shows that for every $1 a business spends on influencer marketing, they make $6.50 back. Let that sink in. And 3% make $20 for every $1 they spend. I'm not gonna say it's all smooth sailing. 18% fail to produce any revenue, but that doesn't mean they lost any money. Influencer marketing is where it's at because it's trustworthy names and you don't think you're really being sold any products. Let's dive into the first kind of influencer marketing we're going to talk about today. That would be sponsored content. Sponsored content is when a brand pays an influencer to make and push out content involving their brand or product. Effective sponsored content usually has alignment between the influencer and the brand, meaning they have similar values. I'm sure you see this all over your TikTok feed. A lot of your favorite influencers are doing sponsored content for makeup brands, for food even, and it's pretty effective. Influencers can do this independently, but typically a brand reaches out to an influencer and has them do a giveaway of their products to reach their target audience. For example, Olivia Ponton, who's walked in Victoria's Secret, could do a giveaway for their products, and it would make sense since she's associated with the brand. Followers of the influencer may be asked to do certain things such as follow the company or like their posts, which helps their engagement. Moving on to the third step in influencer marketing, brand ambassadors. This takes sponsored content to the next level. Brand ambassadors are typically seen promoting products repetitively. Contrary to popular belief, brand ambassadors could be working with this brand for the first time. So don't always believe everything you hear. They could be advertising products that they've never used before. Typically, a brand ambassador is someone who signs on to a company to promote their products short term. This is the final step of influencer marketing we're going to talk about today, but it is by far the most valuable. Micro-influencers. You may be like me and think that if you're going with influencer marketing, you want to get someone with millions of followers, but that's actually not the case. Most companies see success when they do influencer marketing when they go for people with niche audiences, because their followers feel like they can really trust them. For example, if you follow someone with 8,000 followers, you might feel more close and connected to them than the person you follow with 3 million followers. This form of influencer marketing makes people feel like the content's authentic and that the person really supports the brand or product. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on one influencer, spending a couple hundred on a few micro-influencers might be the ticket to get your outreach that you desire. Here's an example case study I made for influencer marketing based on Scarlett Johansson's skincare brand, The Outset. Scarlett Johansson's skincare brand hasn't been widely advertised as far as I know. She has done some partnerships with Katie Fang, a very prominent TikTok personality. However, I decided to dive a little deeper to know what an influencer case study could look like. Scarlett Johansson's brand is about skincare and makeup and beauty and all things relating to that realm, so I picked 3 people who I think would be the perfect combination to get this product widespread. Starting off with someone she already uses, Katie Fang. Katie Fang currently has over 4 million followers on TikTok, and that's where she'd post the majority of her content. For Katie, I'm giving her the role of a long-term ambassador, as well as gifting her products she can promote on her page and giving her a discount code. For example, you'd go to checkout and put Katie10, and that would give you 10% off your entire purchase because you were recommended by her video. Next up, we have my newest upcoming influencer, Brooke Schofield. I know she's been doing influencing for a while, but I feel like she's really getting the hype she deserves right now, which is why she would be perfect for this. She currently has over 300,000 followers on Instagram, which is where I'd have her post the majority of her content. I would simply have her do a social media mention, which is where she could post on her story or make a post mentioning our brand, giving her discount code, and as well as gifting her products so she can promote them. Last, we have the queen of TikTok, Alex Earl. I feel like she's someone who would just expand Scarlett Johansson's target demographic to a totally different range. Like Brooke Schofield, we'd give her a social media mention where she could post our products, we'd gift her products that she can use, and she'd get a discount code for checkout. Here's some examples of what each influencer could post. For example, Katie Fang does get readies with With Me. So I made an example of her promoting the Outset products in a Get Ready With Me. Next up, we have Brooke Schofield. She could do an aesthetic post on her Instagram feed with the Outset products and be sure to mention her discount code. Finally, we have Alex Earl, who does her infamous Get Ready With Me's, and she could be sure to use the Outset products in her videos. So there you have it. That's the beginning lesson on influencer marketing and how you can use it to skyrocket your brand. The main takeaways would probably be to know your audience, know what's going to be most successful for your brand, and I would definitely recommend micro-influencing. Follow these tips for success and drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Again, NovoGen is a social media marketing company and we would love to hear from you, so please reach out to us at NovoGen Marketing on all platforms. Again, subscribe, like, and turn notifications on. Thank you!